Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you another exclusive release, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air. Honestly guys, I'm still trying to figure out what Honor was trying to do with this mix between the Google Pixel 10 Pro and the iPhone Air. Man, I honestly didn't get it. If anyone knows what happened there, explain it to me in the comments. But even so, the device is still fantastic. The device is amazing. It's a real machine. I'll show you everything in this video. And I also want to make it clear that I don't agree at all with any company copying another, whether it's the design, the look, or the name. Regarding the Air, which was mentioned here, also because it's a thin device, I don't agree with any of that. But there must be some marketing explanation for it, right? And since I don't have a degree in marketing, I don't understand anything about it. I mean, I understand a little, but I'm not an expert on the subject. Starting the unboxing, a silver box with the model highlighted and a shadow that refers to the design of its camera module. On the side label, we have the product version and the International Mobile Equipment Identity codes. Opening the box, we immediately see the device, and right below it, there's a small box with an ejector pin. And inside it, a quick start guide, a warranty certificate, and a very nice acrylic case. And next, a charging and data transfer cable with USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other. And an 80-watt power charger, remembering that it also supports wireless charging at 50 watts. Now, with the device already in hand, fully set up, we have a 6.3 1-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide organic light-emitting diode display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, more than 1 billion colors high dynamic range with Dolby Vision, and a maximum brightness of 6,000 nits. It's a very thin device, has a great grip, very compact and super resistant. Also, it has IP68 and IP69 certification, withstanding high-pressure water jets and submersion for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Weighing 155 grams with 6.1 millimeters of thickness, and this orange color, even though it's a copy of Apple, I found it very beautiful. And the camera module as well, very similar to the Pixels module, but the whole set looks really nice. It definitely deserves that beautiful slap on the back. On the right side, there's a quick access button for the camera and also an artificial intelligence button, power button, and volume, plus and minus. At the top, there's a stereo sound output and an infrared sensor. On the left side, nothing. And at the bottom, the SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo sound output. This smartphone is the Chinese version but comes with Brazilian Portuguese pre-installed, so you don't need to worry about translation. And the Play Store also works with all apps, without any kind of restriction, not only here in Spain, but also in Brazil. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is Yo-Yo, with app suggestions based on your usage. There's also the Magic Portal, conversation translation, and phone call translation. And also those photo editing features to erase objects and people, which work really well. And now, about the battery, check this out guys, we have 5500 mAh. The device is very thin and has a huge silicon carbon battery. In the tests I did, which you can see on the screen, it lasted over 15 hours running tests here and still had battery left. So for normal use, everyday use, even heavy use, it ranges from average to extreme. I believe it will easily reach 8 or 9 hours of screen time, and that's an excellent battery performance. That's also thanks to the operating system, Magic operating system, which is very well optimized as well. Now let's move on to the processor test. MediaTek Dimensity 9500 3 nanometers scoring 3460 points on Antutu. A real monster, reaching a temperature of 50.5 degrees, pretty hot by the way, and losing 7% battery. Now let's show some footage playing with it. Let's go to Call of Duty Mobile like we always do, setting all the graphics to maximum. Alright guys, it's awesome, no problems at all, runs smoothly. You don't need to worry about the processor for a long time, guys. It's running everything really smoothly. You can relax, no need to stress about it. Which processor are you going to have to spare there? No problem at all with the operating system. We have Magic Operating System X running with Android 16 on the device. And of course, it also comes with near-field communication connection for contactless payments and Android Auto. Even though it's the Chinese version, everything runs 100%. On-screen fingerprint unlocking works at lightning speed, and face unlock is also very fast. And there are 4 versions of this smartphone: 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB, 12 GB with 512 GB, 16 GB with 512 GB, and 16 GB with 1 TB. It doesn't support memory expansion, but it allows 2 connections. Here with the 5G SIM card, you can also connect an eSIM, but it only supports 2 active connections at the same time. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go guys. Audio and video test of the Honor Magic 8 Pro. The maximum resolution is 2160p. Brightness at maximum. Let's check the volume here too. Now at maximum, let's rotate the screen. And there you have it. Look. A lot of details here on the screen. Very beautiful colors. Very good brightness. Zanotto subtitles. Adriana Zanotto subtitles. Adriana Zanotto subtitles. Adriana Zanotto. Guys, the audio and image on this device are spectacular. The screen is amazing. The brightness is very good too. The colors are very beautiful. The saturation is also great, and the stereo audio is good. I was expecting the audio to be a little louder, but it's quality audio, and in my opinion, it just needed a bit more volume. Now let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 50 megapixel camera recording at 4K 60 FPS with high dynamic range and stabilization. It's incredible, unreal. Let's check out some photos and videos. Watch the playback next to check out the result. Music. Now here guys, the front camera of the One Nord Magic 8 Pro Air, also recording at 4K 60 FPS with rain. Look at Anija, all wet, and the rain doesn't stop, but we have to wait here too. Look at that, look how much water. Look, we have to come and record even with the rain, otherwise we can't do it. It doesn't stop raining here. Impressive. This week there was an article saying that this region here in Galicia was the place with the highest volume at that moment. The highest public rainfall volume, the largest amount of water in the whole world falling at that moment was here. And it's falling now, and it's raining. We take the opportunity to test the certification here. The device, this IP68, IP69, it really holds up, but it's also stabilizing. Very good. Front camera of the Nord Magic 8 Pro Air. Awesome, guys. The front camera is really top notch. The result was amazing. I really liked it. It's really good. Of course, that high dynamic range for video isn't that great, and the weather didn't help much either. It's raining a lot here. I can't get a sunny day to really test the high dynamic range thoroughly, but the result is very good. I like the front camera. And now let's look at the back, which has 3 cameras. The first one is a main camera with 50 megapixels and optical image stabilization. The second is 64 megapixels periscope, telephoto, 3.2x optical zoom, and up to 100x digital zoom, and a third camera, also 50 megapixels ultra wide. And all of this records in 4K at 60 FPS. Let's go check out photos and videos with the rear cameras, and we'll be right back to do our summary and wrap up the video. Here we are, guys, the rear camera of the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air recording in 4K at 60 maximum resolution. And it started to rain. We wait for the rain to stop, run over here, start recording, and then the rain comes back. Look at that, look at the river level, look where the water is, man. Let's test quickly here, let's go. 0.7 millimeters wide angle. Now look at that. No jump even on the camera at maximum zoom of 10x, 10x, 10x. It gets a bit grainy, loses a bit of quality, but the stabilization is still very good. Coming back here to 1x. Now wait, I went a bit past it, 1x. Let's walk a little bit here. Here is a group of tourists. I think they're Chilean or Argentine, I don't know, just standing here getting a bunch of information. And really, I've never seen Rio this crowded like it is now. Man, can you see that? The stabilization works really well at 4K 60. And the rain is getting heavier. Damn, here we go recording in the rain, guys. No comments. I thought the rear cameras were amazing. They're really good, both for photos and videos. I like them a lot. There's just one detail left. When you zoom in above 50x for photos, you get a bit of image distortion that's a little different from what it should be, okay? I think the image should be sharper, even if the AI had to work harder there. With the photo, I thought it looked kind of distorted, kind of blurry, kind of hazy. And I took the same photo more than once to check if it wasn't some problem, if I was shaking the device or not. Really, Really, that's the result. So I think the zoomed in image quality was a bit lacking in the photos, but other than that, the camera is amazing, he says. What did you think? And now let's go to our final summary with the positive and negative points, in my opinion. Let's start with the positive points. Although it copied the Google Pixel and iPhone, I found its design beautiful. The color looks amazing. The device is impressive. They did a great job on the design. Even if it was copied, the device looks beautiful too. We can't forget about its weight and thickness. The device is really thin and light, and its battery life is excellent as well. It's amazing its processor is really good too, and its screen is very beautiful, with very strong brightness and a really good display. 80-watt turbocharging and 50-watt wireless charging. And of course, I'll also list the cameras as a positive point, both the front and the rear ones. As for the negatives, like I mentioned to you here, I think the photo on the rear camera, when zoomed in, lacked a bit of quality. And also its audio. As I also mentioned in the video, I think it could be a bit louder. It lacked some audio volume. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Leave a comment down below. What did you think of this beauty? Is it awesome or not? Did you like the video? Didn't like it? Leave your like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. That's no problem at all. Comment down below. What did you think of this device? Did you like it or not? What's missing from it? What's good about it? What's bad about it? Your opinion is always very important to us here. We're in this together. God bless you. Big hugs. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out.